Hi everyone. Today we will discuss multiplying matrices. We will discuss our story with a very simple example. The first matrix has the dimension of 2 by 2, which means 2 rows and 2 columns. And second matrix, in this case, again 2 by 2, right? And the resulting matrix 2 by 2 matrix, right? Okay, how can you define the multiplication of two matrices? From the first matrix, choose the first row. From the second matrix, choose the first column and multiply each element in this two group. In this case, A times P here, then B times R and add them. Okay, so AP plus BR. Good. Now for the next position, the first row, second column, for this position, please choose the second column and please repeat this process. AQ, right? AQ plus PS. Good? Yes. Now, for the second row, first column, we must choose the second row here and first column and multiply, then add CP plus these two things, PTR. Can you see that? Okay, and for this element, second row, second column, please choose second row here and second column. And CQ plus TS. Can you see that? This definition at first can be a little bit confused at first. But if you practice a little bit more, you can see that that is not so terrible things. Okay, one more thing. When you write the dimension of each matrix, here 2 by 2 times 2 by 2, the two number inside must be the same thing. Okay, otherwise multiplication is not possible. And the first number and last number together is our new the dimension of the resulting matrix. Okay, so for the second one, we will discuss this one first. First matrix, 3 rows, second column, right? And second matrix, 2 rows, 3 columns. Since we have the same number, multiplication is possible, and the first number is 3, last number is 3, so resulting matrix is 3 by 3. Okay, 3 rows and 3 columns. Good. Okay, to multiply these two matrices, again, from the first matrix, choose the first row. From the second matrix, choose the first column and multiply each corresponding element, then add them. So, can you see that? AP plus PS here. Good. Now, if we choose this one, AQ plus PT here. If we choose this one, AR plus PU. Okay. For the second row, we must choose the second row here and first column. So CP TS. Can you see that? CQ, T, T here. CR plus TU. Okay. If you repeat this process, you can fill out these 9 elements. Okay. One more example. The first matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns. Second matrix, 3 rows and 2 columns. So again, we have the same number here, right? So multiplication is possible, and resulting is 2 by 2. Good. If I multiply just one things, you can choose first row and first column from each matrix. Okay, so AP, can you see that? Plus PR plus CT. Good. And you can repeat that process. Next one, you can choose second column for this one, second row and first column for this one, second row, second column. Okay. So this is the definition of multiplication of 2 matrices. Okay, so to multiply the 2 matrices, please check the dimension first. First matrix has the m by n, and the second matrix has n by p. Here, please note that they have the same number. Then multiplication is possible, and the resulting matrix is this number by this number, m by p. Okay? Okay, we will practice some question. Find AB if A is here, B is here. So let me copy one more time. If you choose first row, first column, now our mission is to find A times B. We will do some mental math. 2 times 3 plus negative 1 times 4 is okay. Now for this position, if you choose first row, second column, then number must be here, right? So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. Okay? Please repeat this job. Now 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 3 times negative 2, 4 times 5, so this will be 2, negative 9, 25, 14. Okay, this is some multiplication. Good. And if you can use a graphing calculator, we can use a graphing calculator to multiply the 2 matrices. This is an example of a TI-84 plus version. You can follow this direction to input the first matrix. For the first matrix, in this case A, has the dimension here and the element here. And we will repeat this whole process for the second matrix, in this case P, again 2 by 2 matrix, and they have the element. Okay, can you see that? And after you input these two matrices with your calculator, you can multiply the two matrices now here. After you call matrix, names A, enter, then you can see this one, and multiplication from your keyboard you have here, and again call matrix again, and names B, enter, then you can see this screen, and if you press one more enter, you can see the result of multiplication. Okay, that is the same as our previous example. Good. This is not a complicated process. If you practice a couple of times, you can use your calculator anytime with very easily. Okay, some more example. Find the product if possible. Okay, which means sometimes multiplication is not possible. So to check this possibility, I recommend to write the dimension first. So first matrix, one row, two column, right? Second matrix, two row, one column. Oh, they have the same number, so matrix is possible, and the resulting matrix is a 1 by 1. Wow, 1 by 1, which means you have only one element, right? So let me check. Choose the first row, choose the second, first column from the second matrix. 1 times 3 plus 2 times 4 . When you have only one element, actually this is the same as just the real number 11, okay, without matrix symbol. Okay, next example. Dimension first. 2 rows, 1 column, multiply 1 row, 2 columns. Again, they have the same number here, so multiplication is possible, and the resulting matrix has the dimension of 2 by 2, these two number, right? Okay. Always row mode and column mode. Oh, in the case we have only one multiplication, right? If you choose this one, 4, for clarity, I will erase this one. If you choose this one, 6. If you choose this one, 8, right? So, multiplication, done. Okay, next one, dimension first, 2 by 2 times 1 by 2. Wait a minute. This 2 number is not the same one, right? So in the case, multiplication is not possible. We cannot multiply these two matrices. Okay, how about the next one? 2 rows, 2 columns times 2 rows, 1 column. Oh, they have the same number, so multiplication is possible, and the result is a 2 by 1. This, right? Okay, I will multiply. Choose first row, first column. So 1 times 5 plus 2 times 4. Now for the second row, excuse me, choose this one and choose this one. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 times 4 is 4. Good. So it's 13, 19. This is the result. Okay. So if I use the 2 by 2 matrix, let me summarize one more time. If I multiply A, B, C, D, for example, X, Y, Z, W, this one, AX plus BZ, right? And if you choose this one with the first row, AY plus BW. And if you choose this one, so CD and XZ, right? So CX plus DZ. And if you use these two for the second row of the first matrix and second column from the second matrix. Let me repeat one more time. Second row of the first matrix and second column of the second matrix, you have a CY plus TW. Okay, this is the definition of multiplication of two matrices. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.